Good morning, students. Today we are just going to start something new for our syllabus, that is the letter of job application. A letter of job application has two parts. One is the covering letter and the other is the biodata to be sent along with the covering letter. It means to say, in this job application, first of all you have to give the application for which post you want to place yourself, and all your details regarding your education must be in your biodata. Here is an example, student. There is an advertisement in newspaper that is wanted suitable young sales assistant on a part-time basis to market garments for a leading fashion designer. Apply to the manager, New Creations, 147 Lajpat Nagar, New Delhi, that is 110024. It means to say, here you can easily see that the suitable young sales assistant on a part-time basis to market garments for a leading fashion designer, and a New Creation, 147 Lajpat Nagar, New Delhi. Students, such like this advertisement, you daily read so many types of advertisement. Suppose there is a placement for any teacher, any kind of like plumber, any kind of person, just engineer, sales boy, sales manager, a cook maybe. Write an application in the response to the advertisement. First of all, you have to mention the address, who is the sender. 23 the Kunwar Kunj, Balak Road, Devariya, 274006. Then the date must be mentioned. First of all, sender address, then the date, space. After leaving the space, the receiver address as given here. The manager, New Creations, New Delhi, 110024. Subject, application for the post of sales assistant. Then your salutations. I read your advertisement for the post of sales assistant on a part-time basis in the Times of India, dated 27 February 2020 or whatever it may be, 2021 maybe. I wish to apply for the same. I enclose details of my educational and qualificational and experience in my biodata. I can provide testimonial and certificates if you require them. If you consider that my application is the meritorious, I am available for an interview at any time to suit your convenience. It means according to your merits, application is meritorious, और जो आपकी merits हैं, qualifications हैं, if it is suited to the job, so please give you a chance. This is your application here. Then thanking you, yours faithfully. Whatever the name is given in the question, you must write down here. And after write down this kind of job application, now you are also including your biodata with this application. First of all, biodata, as you know, that must be the name mentioned here, name, home address, mobile number, email ID, educational and qualifications, how much education and qualifications, merits you have, like senior secondary school, your schooling, your graduations, extra qualification, like any, if you have any other diploma or any other special or particular training in any kind of subject, experience, working experience, your age, personal details, your hobbies, and reference. If you have any reference of a person who is really well known to the people, so you must give the reference also here. So this biodata you must enclose with your job application, so that the manager or the regarding person who will observe everything, he will decide either you is suitable for this post, either you would be invited for the interview or not. So student, this kind of job application, it's a part of your syllabus. Once again, I am telling you that these kind of job application we write down after reading the seat vacant advertisement in newspaper, and after reading the newspaper that there is a placement for any kind of job you suited for that, then you will write down the application in the format of the same, and then after with the help of And you also mention that in which newspaper you have already read the advertisement regarding to the job, and something like details about it. And finally you will also enclose your biodata. It is very important, what kind of qualification, what kind of educational or extra qualifications you have. So students, practice it in your notebook, write down it, and tomorrow we will do one more job application. Goodbye.